Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are good and taking care of your health as well. Good morning, Divesh. Anupama. I'm good, Divesh. How are you? In between, if I'm not audible to all of you, please let me know. Do you have any doubt or any suggestion till last session? Anyone, any doubt, any suggestion, please let me know. Anything else you want to discuss with me? Okay, am I audible now? Bhargav, good morning. Mansi, am I audible now? Anupama, am I audible? Okay, okay, Dharamjit, just let me check. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, it's connected, microphone is connected. Yeah, am I audible now? Please let me know. Changes. I don't know. I think give me a minute once again. Give me a minute. Let me check. Yeah, please check right now. अभी आ रही है कृष्णा? भार्गव को तो आवाज आ रही है. अभी आ रही है आप लोगों को आवाज? प्लीज लेट मी नो. अदर्स भार्गव को ठीक ठाक आ रही है. साउंड भी यस बोल रहा है. यस, ओके. ओके मिस, थैंक यू. थैंक यू. आई थिंक दिस इज ओके कृष्णा. नो नो नो, आपका नहीं, बाकी सब लोगों को इशू हो रहा था. ओके आदर्श, शाम से भी मुझे अभी
अरे सर आवाज स्लो आ रही है.
स्लो आ रही है. वो नेटवर्क इशू है बेटा आपका. मीट
हाँ सर.
आपका नेटवर्क इशू है, आप चेक करना. ठीक है, अभी तो आ रही है क्योंकि अभी मुझे डेनिश, श्याम और बहुत सारे लोगों के रिस्पॉन्स आए हैं. उनको तो मैं परफेक्टली ऑडिबल हूँ, स्टार्टिंग विद सावन, अनुपमा एज वेल, भार्गव, मानसी. मानसी आवाज आ रही है ठीक से? So do you have any doubts in the Unit number 4, where we have discussed in terms of Newton's method. Any doubt in unit? Okay, Mansi, thank you. In terms of Newton's method, anyone? Do you have any doubt? Next, we have to deal with the next unit, unit number 5, where we have to deal with the Hessian matrix. Okay, where we have to deal with the Hessian matrix. By the way, how many of you have seen that the assignment is available in your portal? Okay, please go through the portal. Please go to e-content. Okay, assignments are available there, and the link is also there, right? Yeah. Mansi, there are a lot of issues due to COVID. Okay, so that's why they have stopped the process. Whenever it will come, I had a discussion with the respect to that person who said due to COVID, they have stopped the process. Once they will start, they will let you know. Okay, Mansi? Last time actually it started in September itself, but due to COVID, for your batch, they have delayed the process. Okay, yeah, and please take care of assignments, everyone. Okay, because that is very important, and timely submissions always will get full marks. Okay, जो late होंगे, you have to take care of your marks and your grades as well. Okay, so try to complete it. I think 27th is the first date. Before 27th or on the 27th, you have to submit your assignment, right? Assignment number 1. So next, how many of you are aware about the Hessian matrix? How many of you are aware about the Hessian matrix? My system is somewhat having some sluggish nature. Huh? Yeah, maybe 27 Bhargav, do it fast. Okay, yeah. So in the next unit, we have to discuss in terms of conjugate gradient method, right? Then random search method, Hessian matrix. Okay, that we have to discuss here in unit number 5. Okay, in unit number 5. So this is the kind of numerical optimization. Okay, it is nothing but numerical optimization, right? So I will try to discuss few more points about it, what exactly the numerical optimization is, right? Just give me a minute. I'm trying to yeah, Bhargav, wait. It is stopped. It is stopped. Thank you for the information, Bhargav. Just looking for the material, which will be on your screen. Don't worry about that. I will show you some. here we are going to discuss in terms of unit number 5 today, right? Number 6 will be easy. That is only the application part. We'll try to discuss some more points related to this. Give me a minute. Good morning, Prince. How are you? I hope Prince is there, right? There are few important points which we are going to discuss in today's session. Hope that may help for you. So that you have to give me some more time because it is there, but even for the Newton methods, we have to discuss. I'm ready with this. Just give me a minute. By the way, in between, if you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion, please let me know. It is here now. Okay, Shan is there. Ravi Bansit. I hope I'm audible to you as well. Today we'll try to discuss something related to the numerical optimization, different techniques available in it. Okay. So it is a kind of theory part which we are going to discuss. Okay. Okay, Bansit, but late नहीं करना ज़्यादा, ठीक है? Yeah, those who are not feeling well, okay, please let me know well in advance before submitting your assignment, so it will be good for me, okay, for the evaluation purpose. Everyone, please make sure that if you are not feeling well, okay, आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप नहीं कर पाओगे, तो मुझे सबसे पहले बता देना, ठीक है? फिर ऐसे ना हो कि मार्क्स दे दिए जाए और आप बोलो कि सर पता ही नहीं था. Yeah. So is it visible to you now, Bhargav? Is this visible? System थोड़ा सा slow है. Yeah, is this visible? Please let me know. Yes, yes. Bhargav is saying yes. Shan is saying yes. Ruchit is also there. Anupama, Dhananjit. Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. So it is floating. It should not be float. The other system, because my computer system that is having some network problem with the fan. So let us say we are discussing in terms of optimization. Okay, and what do you mean by numerical optimization? What do you mean by numerical optimization? Right? So numerical optimization, as the name suggests, where you have to deal with the numeric the values, okay, and the general non-linear multivariable objective function requires efficient and robust techniques, right? So the objective while using this is numerical optimization is we requires efficient and robust technique to obtain the optimized values, okay, to obtain the optimized values. So this numerical optimization is, let's say, of general non-linear multivariable, okay. This is used for non-linear system, जहाँ पे आपको रियल टाइम सिचुएशन में नॉन लीनियर बिहेवियर मिल रहा है, नॉन लीनियर रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, राइट? एंड देयर यू हैव मल्टी वेरिएबल ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शंस x y z a b c, so it is multi variable objective function, okay. But everywhere we want an efficient and robust technique, there we can use this numerical optimization, okay. And which are those techniques that we'll try to discuss, okay. Is this clear? The first point, Prince, Sham, Dharamjit, Krishna, any doubt in this? In the first point, it is very easy. Where it is applicable, it is applicable for non-linear multivariable objective function, okay. Divesh, Bhargav, okay, great. So apart from that, you know that everywhere we are going to deal with the iterations, we are carrying out the same sequence of that methodology again and again, है ना? हम लोग in the Newton's method also we used to calculate that x2, x3, x4, x5. Why it is so? It is to check or to reduce the error, okay, to check or to reduce the error, right? So efficiency is important because these problems require an iterative solution procedure, and you can say that trial and error becomes impractical for more than 3 or 4 variables. जो भी अभी तक हमने न्यूमेरिकल देखे थे वो तो दो वेरिएबल के लिए थे, है ना, या फिर सिंगल वेरिएबल के लिए थे, that we have provided with the values, we have provided with the data, like we have so and so material, and from that we have to produce, we have to create a box with open top. So how much volume of that material will be collected in that particular box? So you know that LVH 3 quantities only, but more than 3, more than 4, okay, there will be, we cannot use the trial and error method, okay, so it becomes impractical. So if you will use the trial and method as well, the efficiency of the system may be less, and that may cause reduction in its effectiveness. So yes, we need an iterative solution procedure which we can able to build up using the numerical optimization. Okay, the next point is related to the robustness. Okay, this question may be asked. Everyone, please try to concentrate. Bhargav, Ravi, Bansit, Savan. Okay, everyone. Do we have Kamlesh today? Is it there, Kamlesh? थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है ये सब कुछ करने में आज, क्योंकि थोड़ा स्लो है सिस्टम. सानिध्य, मीत, आदित्य. मीत, आपको आवाज आ रही है अभी? मीत मारवानी है. रोल नंबर 27 is Arun.
हाँ सर.
23. Okay, great, very good. मुझे बता दे रहे हो बीच में अगर आवाज नहीं आती. This question will be that much helpful for you. What do you mean by robustness? Even if you go to the industry, in the PI, that they may ask you this question: what do you mean by robustness? Okay, so robustness, it is the kind of, or let's say the ability to achieve a solution. Okay, robustness, it is the kind of tendency of the system or the process which is the ability to achieve a solution. Robustness, okay, so is desirable because a general non-linear function is unpredictable. Robustness, okay, and its behavior, you know that there are many systems जिसका हमें बिहेवियर पता नहीं होता है और जो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होता है. Let's take this example of this pandemic situation. We never know about the response, how it is going to behave, that strain. Okay, so let's take that example, that as an example, like non-linear function. Okay, you know that there are many parameters, they are coming into picture, which creates the kind of trouble to the human body. Okay, so why we are going with a lot of solutions? Because we don't have optimized value right now. Am I right, Prince, Arun? Am I right in this case? Please let me know. Abhishek, Savan, Shubham, Sham, ऋत्विक, ऋषिराज. जिन लोगों ने, जो स्टूडेंट्स ने अभी तक रोल नंबर्स नहीं लिखे हैं ना, ऋषिराज, प्रणव, प्लीज चेंज योर डिस्प्ले नेम, अदरवाइज फिर अटेंडेंस में प्रॉब्लम आएगी और फिर अटेंडेंस नहीं होगी, ये ध्यान में रखो फिर. देयर आर वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स those who have not written their name along, sorry, their enrollment number along with the name. So for them, if you will not change it, your attendance will not be marked. Okay, Vishiraj, especially, I didn't know he is audible. Am I audible to him or not? Yes, Sanidya, बात करना चाहते हो? Yes, Ritvik is saying yes, Shan is saying yes. Okay, so these are the kind of parameters which are some kind of, let's say, non-linear or unresponsive. Okay, so what happens nowadays, we are using different techniques to tackle with that virus, but robustness is the situation or the ability to achieve a better solution, one can say. Okay, and is desirable because a general non-linear function is unpredictable in its behavior. Okay, so there may be relative maxima or minima, saddle point, regions of convexity, concavity, and so on. You may get the desired solution, optimized values, but along with the optimized value, you may have maxima, minima, saddle point, you may have convexity, concavity. Okay, there are n number of parameters associated with that final value, and then you have to decide which one is robust, which is suitable, which is desired solution for that particular process. Okay, so what you have to do in that case, you have to use the different numerical techniques, numerical algorithms, numerical optimizations like Newton-Raphson method or Newton's method, right? So what you have to do, you have to perform the lot of computation, you have to do n number of calculations, and sometimes you may use the computational power as well. But very important is, we have to reduce the computing time. Okay, Anupama, Krishna, Lekha, Mansi, right? Our aim is to reduce the computation time, right? So in some of the cases, there may be increase in the computation time, right? So what we have lot of facilities available based on the numerical optimization, which tries to deal with the process of
optimization to get the robust values. Okay. So what you have to do in order to get this robustness, we can draw on extensive experience on testing non-linear programming algorithms for unconstrained functions. So we can evaluate various approaches proposed for the optimization of such functions. Okay, so this is what exactly the numerical optimization is, right? So numerical optimization, it is generally for non-linear multivariable objective functions, जहाँ पे आपके 3 या 4 से ज्यादा वहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स होंगे, ठीक है। एक तो आप उसका ऑप्टिमाइज वैल्यू तो निकाल पाओगे, बट यू विल नॉट एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट वेदर इट इज मैक्सिमा, मिनिमा, then convexity, concavity, right? Or there may be saddle point. So there, what you have to do, you have to rigorously plan your experiments in a such a way that you will get the robust values. Okay, so this is to be done with the help of numerical optimization. So there are few techniques which are used in order to find out the optimized values. Okay, so this will be the desired answer if it is asked, if you have to write a note on numerical optimization. Okay, any doubt in this? Sham, Dharamjit, Krishna, Lekha, Anupama, Meet, Sanidhya, Abhishek, Aditya, everyone, please let me know in the chat box. Everyone, you know. Okay, there are 7 responses out of 32 students. Great, very good. Okay, then Prince is there. Great. Do we have Vinti today? Is she there in the meeting? No, she's not. Okay, so the next part of the discussion is we have to deal with, since we are discussing in terms of iterative methods, right? We are discussing in terms of iterative methods. So which are the general steps involved in the effective iteration method of optimization? Okay? The general steps involved in the effective, I'm just going to write in terms of general steps involved in the effective iterations method of optimization. Okay, so let's say these are 4 most effective iteration methods of optimization. Let's say at iteration k, okay, let's say 1 2 3 4 5. So out of 1 2 3 4 5, we are going to consider in terms of k. Okay, where the current x is x raised to power k. So this is the kind of set of problem statement. Okay, x raised to power k, right? So what you have to do for that iterations, it is nothing but performing the operations many times in order to get the desired result. Okay, in order to get the desired result. Okay, so आप क्या करोगे? If you are aware about the situation that this is your problem statement, that an iteration is k, so the current situation can be written as, or where the current x is x raised to power k. So these are the 4 steps. You have to first find out, or you have to choose the search direction x raised to power k. Okay, this is based on the optimization. This is based on the optimization, right, Abhishek? So we have to choose a search direction s raised to power k, in which direction you have to find out the robust method. Okay, the robust method. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to minimize along that direction, let's say s raised to power k, which may be exactly to find a new point that may not be exact. Okay, that may not be exact, right? So you will able to find out the new point that we have discussed in our Newton's method. जैसे हम x2 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते थे, ठीक है? And in the similar way, using the similar approach, we have to minimize along that direction s raised to power k to find a new point. Okay, to find a new point, like x raised to power k plus 1. देखो यहाँ पे अभी this is initially we have considered s raised to power x raised to power k. Okay, Sham, Meet, Dharamjit, Pranav, Mansi, right? So here new point will be x raised to power k plus 1 is equals to x raised to power k plus alpha raised to power k into s raised to power k. So this will be our step number 2. Okay, this will be our step number 2. Am I audible to you, Sham? I am not getting response. Am I audible to you, Mohit, Prince? Yes. Okay. Okay. Good. Right. So the next is here alpha raised to power k is positive scalar called as step size. You have to provide the step size. If you will do the calculations using any simulation software like ANSYS or in MATLAB as well, you have to provide the step size. Okay, so this alpha raised to power k, it is nothing but the step size. Okay, and that is the step size is determined the optimization process called as a line search. We are not going in detail about this, but let us see if time permits, we'll go with it as well. Okay, so this is called as line search method. Okay, so these are first two steps कि आपको एक search direction देखनी है, which may be x raised to power k. You have to choose that search direction. Then you have to minimize along the direction to find a new point. Okay, out of that alpha raised to power k, it is called a step size, and it is determined by the process called line search, right? And then in addition to 1 and 2, an algorithm was specified, like initial starting vector x raised to power 0 is equals to x raised to power x1 raised to power 0, x2 raised to power 0, so on and so forth, up to x raised to power n raised to power 0 of transpose. Okay, and the convergence criteria for the termination. So these are the steps involved in the iterations methods. We'll try to discuss this. If I'm not wrong, we are going to discuss in terms of Bayesian matrix as well. Okay, there you can see how we can implement this method of iterations. Okay, is this clear? The second point, general steps involved in effective iteration methods of optimization. Please let me know in the chat box. Is this clear? The general steps involved. Okay. बंसित मैंने पहले इसका आंसर दे दिया या फिर रवि ने वही लिखा था? रवि ने लिखा था, बंसित ने लिखा था? तो आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरी. बंसित पहले मैंने आंसर दे दिया इसका. You take care of your health, Bansit. Right? Yes, done. So we'll move forward. So now what is random search method? Okay. Then let us discuss in terms of random search method. Yeah. So let us discuss in terms of random search method. Let us discuss in terms of random search method. Right? So what it is? So random search method simply selects the starting vector x0 that evaluates f of x at x raised to power 0. Let's at initial position, and then randomly selects the other vector x1 and evaluates f of x, evaluate f of x at x1. Okay, so this is simple one. while writing in the exam, if you have to appear in person for the exam, this kind of questions will be asked. So random search method, जैसे आपने पहले वाला भी किया था न्यूटन मेथड के बारे में, राइट? तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to find out that starting vector x0, then you have to evaluate f of x at x0, and then randomly select another vector x1 to evaluate f of x at x1. Okay, so this is the first step in the random search method, right? Next, then you have to find out the search method जो हमने पहले discuss की है, sorry, search direction, in which direction you want to go with. Okay, here it comes in terms of positive negative values. Okay, it comes in terms of positive negative values, right? Yes. So you have to choose that search direction and then step length, right? So what happens after one or more stages? The value of f of x raised to power k is compared with the best previous value of f of x from among the previous stages. तो यहाँ पे आप iterations करते रहोगे. Okay, you will get your values using the iterations. Okay, and the decision is made to continue or terminate the procedure. तो आपको जैसे values मिलती जाएगी उस हिसाब से you will decide whether you have to continue or you have to terminate your calculation. Okay, so this is based on your that step length or step size and the search direction. Okay, step length or search direction. Okay, so there may be a series of cycles, there may be series of cycles or calculations you have to perform. You have to check whether it is working in your case or not, right? Apart from that, you will be able to see your optimal solution. Okay, so there may be, let's say, sometimes probability of 1 is only to, let's say, k tends to infinity sometimes. Okay, but in the practical matter, let's say if the objective function is quite flat, a suboptimal solution may be quite acceptable. Okay, so it's quite difficult. That's why data scientists, they are working on these kind of techniques which are quite difficult in order to understand and to perform the operations. So out of that, one is random search method. Okay, random search method, right? So yes, the last point is, it is related to the very important is this method is inefficient insofar as the function evaluations are concerned. It may provide a good starting point for another method, and you might view random search as an extension of the case study method. So there is a practical algorithm which is given by Maxon and James in 1980. So where you can able to refer the random search method. Okay, do you have any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt in this? Please let me know. Do you have any doubt up to this point? Please let me know in the chat box if you are there in the meeting. Okay. I think we'll take a short point. The next point, advantages. It's disadvantages. We'll discuss in terms of disadvantages of this method. Okay, random search method. So let's say it does not use a spatial information about the function or its derivative. ठीक है, spatial information नहीं होती है. Random number pattern may miss narrow peak. So due to we are going to refer the random number. So that pattern may miss narrow peak. जहाँ पे आपको ऑप्टिमाइज वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी चीजें देखनी होती है, राइट? सो यू मे मिस दैट, देन becomes, let's say it becomes very slow for multi-dimensional problems. Okay, it becomes very slow for multi-dimensional problems. So let's say if y is equals to f of x And if it actually it needs 100 numbers, there's 1,000 numbers to get the desired result. So that is saying that it looks good luck for getting the result. Okay, and then z is equals to, let's say if you are having four variables like p, q, x, y, z is the function of p, q, x, y, then you may require these many iterations, 10 and 1000 raised to power 4. Okay, 1000 raised to power 4. ओके ओके प्रिंस, मैंने सबके लिए वो एप्लीकेबल था जो मैंने बोला है. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द advantages of random search method. Okay, once again I'm explaining, I'm just giving you information about your assignment. Your assignment, these are available in your portal, but those who are not feeling well, for them, you please let me know personally your problem, so we may extend it, and that may vary person to person. Okay, but please try to complete as per the deadline mentioned there. Okay, is this clear? I think you have received the link from your friends. I think Divesh and some other your friends, they have shared the link where to submit your assignment, right? Divesh, Bhargav, Pranav, Anupama, do you receive the two links where to submit your assignments? Yeah, please let me know. Out of 32, only 2 students are there. Yeah, I have shared with 4 to 5 students, 4 to 5 of your friends. They might have shared with you. Okay, so please make sure that you will complete that task before the deadline. But those who are not feeling well, okay, you take care of your health, but please let me know when you are going to submit. Okay, yeah. So any doubt up to this point? Do you have any doubt? Please let me know. Those who are in the meeting right now, Darshan, number 44 meeting में हो, number 44, Jay Parmar, I think he's having some network issues. Okay, Darshan is there. Students, do you have any doubt? Please let me know if you have any doubt. Still, there are few students those have not changed their display name. Zubair, any doubt? Zubair, do you have any doubt? Any suggestion? If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Let me check this. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Very good. Okay, then. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining today's session. This is what we have discussed. It is from unit number 5. Okay. So, yes, take care of your health, everyone. Okay. And please try to complete the assignments before time. If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion related to that, you may write to me directly. Okay, it's done, Bhargav. Thank you. Okay. So take care, everyone. Bye bye. I'm going to end this meeting right now. Okay. Bye bye everyone.